Yeah. Me used to be cold, me used to be mean. Me heart full of war till me start to breathe. Now me sight clear, my soul come clean. Let me tell you how me change the scene. Yeah. Used to walk with the devil on my shoulder. Hey. Used to walk with the devil on my shoulder. Mind full of rage, my spirit get colder. Quick with the fist, never care who drop. Me never know peace, just pressure and block. Used to flex in the streets like me rule every block. Me never show love, me just move like rock. Then one little drop from the healing tree opened up my mind and set me free. I was evil till I went green. Heart full of fire, now my soul feel clean. Used to live low, now my trod I see. Me find your light in the leaves so green. I was evil, me can't lie. Me used to wish pain, now me wish I fly. Ganja bless me, but now more mean. Me give thanks every day for the green. Me used to laugh when the weak man fall. Me used to silence the ones who call no mercy. No love that I'm a past, but me find wisdom in a smoke and grass. Me say, my brethren come, he just a burn. Me say, why you smile while the whole world turning? Say, Ganja teach me to rise above it. No, me learn late, but still me elevate. I was evil till I went green. Heart full of fire, now my soul feel clean. Used to live low, now me trod I seen. Me find your light in the leaves so green. I was evil, me can't lie. Me used to wish pain, now me wish I fly. Ganja bless me, but now more mean. Me give thanks every day for the green. And I say we solve all things, but it make me slow down, hear the birds sing. Me see clearer, feel deeper. Used to be cold, now my heart much sweeter. So if you ever walk with anger in your chest, try one draw and take one rest. Breathing deep from the roots of the sea, you might just change when you go green.